Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. Are you ready to make a super fun and festive floral inspired necklace using the latest Softlex design kit, Exotic Blooms, that I have recently made tutorials for? I will leave a link down below in the description box so you can check out those tutorials. And I'm always posting new content, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So I have a few of these little shell beads that were exclusive to the kit. I'll be using the little bead ball clusters that we made and then the little flower. Instead of the little pink beads, I added a couple of the Tiara cast Monstera leaves. Then I'll just be using some seed beads as some spacers and then our basic findings of jump rings and 2x2s and then some check glass as well with the soft flex wire and quartz. And this is what came in the kit. Let's start creating. So we will need about 20 to 22 inches of our Softlex wire. We have our wire. We'll put that off to the side. We're just going to open up two 6mm jump rings and attach it to the back part of our flower. And this is going to make a little pendant on it. These flowers were so cute. This whole kit was amazing. Comment down below what you thought of this kit, the Exotic Bloom kit. I say all the Softlex kits are amazing, but they truly are. They're special in their own way and their own theme. I look forward to them every month. And then, of course, Kit Day when they release the new kit for the next. So we have our wire. We're just going to string on our wire through the two jump rings. I just use the two jump rings so it's more stabilized on my pendant. This is going to be kind of a little bit of a design on the fly when I'm recording this tutorial. So we'll see what happens. We're going to put on the check glass, the 7mm check glass. Slide that on. And then let's add a couple shells and then we will go ahead and add on our little bead clusters. We go ahead and use the seed beads as spacers. So we're going to slide on our little shell. So we have our shells and then I'm going to pick up one of the 7mm check glass beads. And what's great with these, and I've always done this when I have made my bead clusters, is it just kind of nestles in between because essentially it's a large hole bead. So you don't want it sliding over your shells. So we're just going to slide on our bead cluster. Make sure it goes in the right way. So we have our bead cluster, very sparkly. And then we're going to put on two more of our check glass beads. And those are just going to nestle. You have a really sparkly necklace. And then we're just going to alternate between our shells and our little seed beads. And I'll sprinkle in a couple. And we're going to get our pliers. We're going to slide one on. Just go and give it a smash. And I'm not going to rotate yet and round it until I have the other side on. And we want to make sure that this is nice and secure and double check our bead clusters and make sure they're straight. And we're going to slide on the next 2x2. And then give it a smash. And make sure we don't smash the seed bead. We just want to smash our 2x2. And that way our bead clusters are nice and secure. Now we can go back and round it. It just gives it a more professional finish. It's going to attach to a jump ring. Same thing, we'll just put our 2x2 on top of our flattened one and our jump ring. And then we can attach our clasp or our leather cord, whatever we would like. More Softlex. We'll make sure there is a little bit of a room, a little loop there. We don't want it too tight where it can cause tension and cause our piece to break. Then we're just going to round it. Then we'll just trim off our tail And be sure to save the tails because this is a great length right here for like an earring, um, or one of those little connectors. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna run it back through. Beautiful necklace using the Softlex Company Exotic Bloom Design Kit. And I just added in the little tiara cast monstera leaves. And then these were part of the kit. And then we made our bead clusters. And I will leave the links down below for the tutorials on how to make this floral component as well as your bead clusters. And the rest of the necklace is bead stringing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and tutorials. Have a great day.